Hey, Stool.
Hello.
Hey, Beverly. Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving! What day is it?
It's Turkey Day!
Turkey Day!
So we're making this pie.
I'm trying to straighten out the grits.
And Beverly's cooking grits.
Trying to straighten it out.
They doing good. Beverly already got biscuits in the oven.
Got it. Put the milk away.
Happy Thanksgiving! Poor turkey.
Little tiny turkey.
The turkey's been dead for a long time.
When was it packed?
A long time.
I'm signing off for now.
I always do that. You want to